Well, it is official. Eli Lilly announcing plans to open a $6.5 billion manufacturing plant right here in Houston. And KPRC2 first broke the news of the multi-billion-dollar investment earlier this month.
Let's take a look at what this really means. The $6.5 billion plant will open in Generation Park within the next 5 years. And the massive project will need about 4,000 construction workers to build the facility. Now, once complete, they're going to hire about 615 permanent people, jobs from engineers to scientists and more.
And as elected leaders are celebrating the news about this, since our first report, KPRC2's Rowan Belogan has heard some concerns from the plant's soon-to-be neighbors.
There was plenty of celebrating inside the tents behind me as Eli Lilly announced the biomanufacturing plants, a massive investment. However, the people who live and work around Generation Park sharing their concerns.
We are so proud to have Eli Lilly right here in Houston, Texas.
Pharmaceutical giant Eli Lilly confirms plans to build its next biomanufacturing plants right here in Houston. The CEO confirming what KPRC2 first reported earlier this month. Now we know Harris County beat out over 300 applicants and proposals from across the globe.
Texas offered world-class infrastructure, power, connectivity, and the Port of Houston to keep goods moving.
But with the celebration comes some concerns. Since our September 11th reports, we've heard from several with concerns about possible further flooding in the area. We took the question directly to Commissioner Rodney Ellis. Since we reported this about 2 weeks ago, we've been hearing from people in the area. One of the common concerns is flooding. They're concerned that this could worsen the flooding in the area.
I don't think it'll worsen the flooding. I'm glad that we created that TERS because I think there'll be projects in that will help. But look, it's a major job creator.
The company CEO says they'll be good neighbors.
It's estimated that for every $1 we spend in the pharmaceutical industry and Lilly at this site, it will generate $4 of economic impact in the community around us.
The project site manager says they are hiring people right now for those jobs. The CEO says while they do have a time frame of opening those doors within 5 years, they're hoping to speed that up. I'm Rowan Belogan, KPRC 2 News.